Today we're doing an unboxing of the Nintendo Switch 2. Today's June 5th, 2025. It just released today. I pre-ordered this, so it came this morning at 7 a.m. I ordered it off of Walmart. And let me tell you, it was a pain trying to get that pre-order. It was sold out for a long time, but I got lucky. Ooh, I see it.
Me too.
I see the box. Let me close this. All right, here's the big reveal. Who's ready?
Me.
Hey, are you ready?
No.
Here, you pull the bag out. Or you gonna pull the game out.
The game.
Alright, stick your hand in there. Put that to the side.
It's upside down.
Alright, show the camera, okay? Show the camera, hold it up to the camera. And what is it?
Nintendo Switch 2.
But which one though?
Mario Kart World.
Mario Kart World. So we got the Nintendo Switch 2 bundle. The Mario Kart World bundle. Alright, so let's show them the size of the boxes. Alright, I see one piece of tape here. I'm gonna try not to cut myself.
Hopefully you don't.
Ah!
You didn't.
Ah, gotcha. Kate thought I really cut myself. I saw you looking at me like, oh, Oppa. I mean, Oppa, are you okay? Is that what you were thinking? Hmm? Alright, here we go. it's just a regular console.
Yeah.
Alright, let's look at the main event. This is the main event here. Try not to drop it.
If you did.
So here are the sides. So I guess this pops out. The back pops out so you can, let me close this for a second. So you can stand it up while you play. Alright, so it looks like, I don't know if these are cooling vents or speakers on top. I think they're cooling vents. USB-C. Alright, so we'll put this down. I'm gonna put the stand up. Put that down. And then Kate's got the
Joysticks. And then we have these.
two joysticks.
Two joysticks.
Two joysticks. Alright. They attach to the sides.
Can I put one in?
They're color coded there. Supposed to just attach
Can I put one in?
by magnets. You want to what?
Magnet.
And then let's see what else is in the box. Ooh, this is a little heavy.
There's something in there. What is that?
It says full game download is to get Mario Kart. Ooh, I don't know if I should show them because I don't just want to steal it. Oh, there's no code on here. Oh, actually, there might be. Let me cover it up.
Over.
And then this is what is this? Health and safety information, usage guidelines. It comes with US HDMI cable. It comes with, what are these? I think these attach. I think these attach to the joysticks.
You might be able to hold it.
Put this aside. What that? I think you can attach the joysticks here and then you can use it as a controller. Hold that.
Wait, open it off the two joysticks.
Not right now, Kate. Let's unbox everything. The power brick. What's this? USB-C cable. It's the power cable. So one end goes into the charger, and then the other side goes into the switch.
Right here.
No, we're not gonna plug it in there. And then we have the dock, the docking station. I thought there was some storage. Oh, so there's two USB plugs on the docking station. This part is supposed to come out. Oh, okay, here we go. The AC adapter, HDMI, and oh, it's got an Ethernet jack. So here you have the power plug, HDMI, and a LAN jack. So the way that you use this, you can have this next to the TV, and then when you want to play it on the TV, you just stick it in here. Oh, and then you can. How do you take these off?
Oh, you click those buttons.
Oh yeah, there we go.
Wait, can I have them first?
And then you just play like this. And these are buttons too up here. You want these?
Yeah, button. No, I'll just put
You're not in the camera, Kate. Come closer this way.
Okay, so I'm gonna put these two in. Just gonna put it in, and then you can just play on this
That's the controller. Yep.
as the controller.
Well, there you have it. That's the full unboxing. So this is everything that was in the box.
Card right here, the Mario Kart.
Kate, who's gonna win?
Me.
Evan, who's gonna win?
I don't know.
Ooh, he doesn't sound confident. You sound very confident. All right, guys, you ready to connect it to the TV?
Yep.
All right, go ahead, Evan. Hit A.
Okay.
A. Just keep hitting A until you can pick a character.
How do you go forward? A. Oh, would you hold A?
Yeah, you hold A down.
And Opa, if you want to go, if there's stuff on the side, you click that. This? Yeah.
So this is our first look at Mario Kart.
What?
You're grinding the rail. Get off the rail. What are you doing?
How does he Mario Kart off? I can't get off.
Evan's playing right now. Kate, get down. Hi. I see you. How's he doing?
Good. Actually, he's in second place. Let me get him. King Kong is in
Yeah!
he's in first place. He's in
No!
first. I'm in second. No, wait, I'm in first. He's in first place.
What is this?
I don't know what that is. I think it gives you extra coins. Ooh, someone's right on your tail. Oh, they missed. They shot a turtle shell at you. You're in first place still. Ooh, that's the turtle shell. You can shoot at somebody.
If someone gets in front of you, you have to shoot.
Are you nervous?
No.
You think you can come in first place?
Yeah. I wonder what the second one right is. I'm gonna win.
I think after this, you have to do one more.
The race isn't over. Oh, someone got you.
What? The race isn't over?
No,
Oh!
this is the third round or third lap.
Yeah, and then you'll be done.
On the right side, it tells you everyone that's right behind you. Shoot the turtle. Hold on, not yet. In the straightaway. Oh no, you don't have it anymore. Oh, someone tried to get you. Someone tried to get you. What is
I
that?
don't know. I just found a banana shell and a banana peel.
Oh, you're way ahead of everybody.
Oh, but don't use the turtle shell.
Yeah. Oh, you have to. Oh, you can't use it now.
I'm still gonna get it, but I win.
Okay, my turn.
You got first place. First game, first place. How does it feel?
Good.
Okay, my turn.
So should we keep this Nintendo Switch 2?
Yeah.
How many games are we gonna get for it?
I don't know.
We have to get Fortnite on there ASAP.
You should get Roblox on here.
No thanks.
Yes, thanks.
You're playing now?
Okay, which character should I be? Anthony,
Again?
this baby.
Are you picking a girl? Now Kate's trying to get first place. Good luck, Kate. Oh, nice start. You're in 11th, 10th, 8th.
9, 7. Oh, use those.
You know what those do? Well, you just lost one.
Keep going. Yeah, wait, use it. Okay, use another one. No, I'm on the line. Yeah, you can still use it. I'm not gonna use it. Well, you could have got 2 more extra ones. You didn't use it.
I wonder if grinding that thing makes you go faster or slower. Go, Kate. You're in 20th, 21st. Why'd you stop? Go!
Oh, use that. Keep using it. Keep using it. Okay, keep using it. Keep spamming. Keep spamming. Look at so much.
Okay, stop going left and right, left and right, left and right. You're making me dizzy. I don't like that lightning bolt.
Hit him off! Could have hit him.
Come on, Kate. 6th place, 7th. Come on.
Keep using it. Keep using it. Keep using it.
6th, 5th, 3rd, 2nd, 1st.
Keep using
Go,
it.
Kate. Go, Kate. Go.
Oh, use the lucky block. Use it. Keep on spamming it. Spam, spam, spam. Stop.
Kate, you're in 1st place. Come on, come on. You got this. Are you nervous? Are you nervous?
Yeah, I am a little bit.
Are you gonna get 1st place? What do you think?
Yes.
She's in first
Evan,
right now.
Evan, what do you think? What do you think?
Yeah, I just think she.
What does she need to do? Is she doing anything wrong?
No. Get the double.
All right, back to the game. She's still in 1st.
Use the banana peel.
She's in 1st, but they're catching up.
Donkey Kong's on my tail.
Oh no, it isn't.
Donkey Kong is right on her tail. Use it.
Use
Put
it.
the banana peel down.
Yep. What? Good game.
I have to finish.
Okay, let go. Let go.
No, don't let go.
Okay, I want to obey. Oh no! It's coming for you.
Oh!
Oh my gosh. Come on.
Again.
Good job. Now, should I play?
Sure, if you want.
No, I played earlier. When I played, I got 1st place.
I played earlier and I got 1st place.
All right.
Single player.
So that's the review of the Nintendo Switch 2. I think we're gonna keep it. We like it. What do we like about this?
Mario Kart.
So no, you gotta talk about the actual system. The graphics are awesome, very high def. The gameplay is super smooth, and everything's very responsive. It's super fast, a lot faster than the Switch 1,
Yeah.
the first Switch.
That's why we didn't buy any Switch ones.
Well, you have one.
Well, that one's like really cheap.
You got it for your birthday. But no, this one's really good. You gonna play again?
Yep.
Well, I
All right.
to do duos.
We'll play duos later. All right, everybody say bye.
Bye.
Tell everybody, you should buy that Switch too.
You should buy the Switch too.
Bye. You should buy the Switch too.
Bye.